is Giorgio Anidis. I'm coming from a company called IN2 Search Interface Development. We worked in FEC1 in the project called Doc, where we actually try to see out how our service that we are providing called MyMedia scales up. MyMedia is a service that allows people to collect and organize multimedia streams, files and feeds. So you can upload a lot of multimedia files, take Twitter feeds and combine them together in order to be able to better manage and analyze what is happening on. This is a scalable and modular service, so it consists of many application servers like a backend, a processing pipeline, and front end. And at the end, in the Doc project, we want to see how a hybrid deployment using Docker containers and VMs together can help scale up the service. So we had these two hypotheses. The first hypothesis was a hybrid deployment, so a Docker container inside a VM doesn't give any significant drawback with regards to response time. And the second hypothesis was, if this is true, then how can we better scale up the resources that we have and be able to produce a quick response time. So that was the idea. We used for this virtual wall 1, where we actually had 3 physical nodes every time that we deployed using different setups. One of the setups was always using VMs, and the other setup, the comparable one, was using containers inside VMs. So we changed the number of containers, the number of application servers, and the number of VMs at the end to see how this performs better. We also tested how a load balancing method works in the case that there are many application servers running. So we tested these 2 approaches of using a least connected load balancing method and a round robin one. At the end, the result was that we were able to see that there is no significant drawback using containers inside VMs, and the application scales horizontally. That means that there are many, by putting many application servers in parallel and reducing their requirements for RAM and CPU, the application performs better. So that was the end result. And using these different topologies, we managed to reduce the response time by 50%. So at the end, double the performance. So we did this, as I said, using virtual wall 1. It would not have been possible to do this without a testbed, because it allowed us to quickly do a lot of changes in the actual setups. And we were happy to be able to do this because it helped us to improve the application and double the performance of MyMedia. It is now live in production. The knowledge that we gained helped us to improve even more the application, and we have this live in production now.